guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here and we're gonna be making some best M&M cookies for Valentine's Day. So we have a couple of things. Let's show them what we have, because this video is in collaboration with Momma Friendly and it is a huge playlist of other great treats that we're trying to bring to you. So be sure to check out the playlist. Tell them to check out the playlist. So we have some
butter.
Got some.
And then we have some eggs.
We got two of those.
And then
we got our bowl where we need to put our stuff at, and then we have our brown sugar
and some Valentine's Day M&Ms.
Guys, this is really hard to come across. They really don't sell this in Food Line. I looked, and not in Kroger, but I found it in CVS. Okay, then we got some vanilla, flour, baking soda, chocolate chip,
and salt.
And then we got salt. We got sugar. Alright, so we're gonna get started on making these. Oh, yep, we got our measuring cups and our measuring spoons. So we're gonna get started on.
And we have chocolate chips.
Yeah, so we're gonna get started on making this. So we need our big bowls. So we're gonna go ahead and add in our 2 sticks of butter, because our 2 sticks of butter amounts to 1 cup. So if you want to peel one, I'll peel the other one and add it in.
I feel like this one.
Yeah. And then we'll just stick it in here. Alright, so in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to crack these 2 eggs. Alright, so we got our butter that is melted. So next, guys, going to add in the eggs. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Meanwhile, Sky is gonna go ahead and mix that up, the eggs and the butter and the vanilla. Next, I'm gonna add in the sugar, and then I'm gonna be adding in the brown sugar, and then she's just gonna continue to mix everything up. I'm also gonna add in the salt and baking soda, and then I'm also going to be adding in flour, meanwhile, put your 1.5 cups of chocolate chips and your 1.5 cups of Valentine's Day M&Ms to the side, because you're going to need those. Towards the end, you'll be folding in those candies. Alright, so this is the part that I was talking about, where you're going to fold in the chocolate chips, and then you will fold in the Valentine's Day M&Ms. So just fold in your 1.5 cups of the chocolate chips, as well as folding in 1 cup of your M&Ms, and then use your other half of the M&Ms to place on top of the cookies when they come out, in case there are cookies that didn't come out with the M&M being on top. Okay, line up your pan with either aluminum foil or parchment paper, and you're just gonna basically make these spoonfuls of the mix and then basically roll it into a ball and make sure it's about 2 inches apart. Make sure that when you're rolling, you try to get the M&Ms towards the top. The chocolate morsels will melt and be very melty when it comes out of the oven. So these are going to go into the oven on 350 for 9 to 10 minutes. And ta-da, we've made some Valentine's Day best M&M chocolate chip cookies. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the playlist. It's down in the description box. And make sure you are subscribed to my channel.
Moment of truth. They're good.